Hello everyone, it's my great pleasure to introduce you a good RME, Motorcycle GPS Navigation and Motorcycle Recorder Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, Siri and Google Assistant compatible. This is the standard packaging of the product. Hosts are front and rear cameras, motorcycle bracket, power cord, packing box, instructions. The standard configuration is 64G memory card, which can be expanded to 256G at most. Easy to install and disassemble. It is firmly installed on the bracket, and the back of the product is fixed with screws, which is well combined with the product. Of course, when you park your car, you can quickly take the main engine away, not afraid to park it outdoors with the motorcycle, which is. CarPlay Android Auto is a smarter, safer way to use your phone in your motorcycle. CarPlay Android Auto takes the things you want to do with your phone while motorcycle riding and puts them right on this smart touchscreen. You can GPS navigation, make calls, enjoy your favorite music, etc. Of course, in addition to its powerful functions, the product is also excellent for connecting to iPhone mobile phones. The product can be connected to mobile phones at the same time. Let me try how to connect to iPhone mobile phones for you. The operation is very simple and convenient. To mobile phones at the same time, let me try how to connect to iPhone mobile phones for you. The operation is very simple and convenient. Just open the Bluetooth function and find the corresponding ID number to connect directly. With Siri voice control, Google Assistant, control with a word or a touch. Super convenient. This portable CarPlay screen comes with bracket kits and tools. You can mount it on the motorcycle handle. The mount guards against drops and vibration. After connecting, it can be used easily. Is this product your favorite? Here is the product introduction. I will introduce its practical functions to my friends when I have time. Goodbye, my friend.